What's up everyone, this is Senpai Kid and welcome to Senpai Kid's Karate Vlog. Today I'm here at the dojo, alone, no one's around. And yeah, I will be training alone. And I'm here to share with you some stuff about the second CKF selection. So yeah, the second CKF selection, it will happen sa PKF NSA Open Age Group Championship. Nagaganapin sa April 13 at April 14 sa Pasig Ultra. It is open for all karatekas. Members or non-members of the PKF NSA, you can join, everyone can join, and everyone is invited. The selection process is actually pretty simple. Yung unang slot, dalawang slot kasi per event per country. And yung first slot ay occupied na ng national team. And the other slot is open for all. On the PKF NSA Open Age Group Championship, ang makaka-gold medal sa mga events at categories ay siyang magiging partner ng national team para i-representa ang ating bansa sa second CKF championship. Kung mananalo ka dito, pasok ka na sa representative ng Philippines. But that doesn't mean na ikaw ay magiging Philippine team na. So yun, pero sabi ni Sir Raymond, kung mananalo ka daw sa CKF, pasok ka na daw nila sa SEA Games. Well, kapag nanalo ka naman sa CKF, sila din yung kalaban mo sa SEA Games. Kaya sigurado dapat ipasok ka nila sa SEA Games. That's it guys! Time to train, and for more information about the age category and the brackets and the weight categories, you can check this link here. And that will lead to the blog. Naghahanda na ba kayo? What are the preparation are you doing? And I'm also encouraging the coaches, support your students, and to the parents, please support your children. This is a very good opportunity to do a national level game. So that's it. See you guys on the championship and on the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, that's it. Bye guys.